Imagine being able to take piles of numbers and turn them into insight that can drive business decisions and even predict the future. Sounds magical, right? Well, that's the board of data analytics for you. And the best part, you don't need to be a data wizard to get started. I have been where you are, excited but unsure where to begin. So buckle up because today we are going to dive into step-by-step guide to how kickstart your data analytics journey, even if you have zero experience. Hi there, I am Taib, your guide in this data adventure. Whether you are a student aiming to impress your potential employers, or a professional looking to change lanes, or just someone curious about data, this video is for you. Today we are exploring the key tools and concepts that will set you up for success in data analytics. Trust me, you will be amazed how quickly you can become a proficient. So let's jump in. Okay, first our journey is Excel. I know it might sound old school, but mastering Excel is like learning ABCs of data analytics. It's versatile, powerful, and widely used. Here is why you need to get comfortable with Excel. First, we have filtering data. By sorting, filtering, and highlighting cells, you can zoom in on key information. Next, we move on to pivot tables. These allow you to transform raw data into meaningful summaries. In fact, thinking of pivot tables is as a Swiss Army knife for data. They can cut through the noise and present what's important. Finally, let's discuss graph and charts. A picture is worth of thousand words, right? With Excel, you can easily turn your information uh, visual stories that both captivate and inform. Now, I have a question for you. What's your favorite Excel trick for data analysis? Share it with us in the comment. Now that you are getting hang of Excel, it's time to level up with SQL. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the second tool on our list, and it's crucial for managing databases. Imagine you are a detective and SQL is your magnifying glasses, helping you zero in on specific details hidden with your data. Here is a quick rundown. First, we have select statement. This allows you to extract only the data you need. Consequently, there is no more shifting through endless rows. Next, we move on to joins. These enable you to combine data from different tables, thereby providing a complete picture. Following that, we have group by. This is used to summarize data by categories. In addition, this feature is super useful for finding trends, such as identifying which product is the best seller each month. Okay, finally, we have a question for you. Have you ever worked with large dataset? If so, how do you handle it? Please share that in the comments. Okay, now that we have wrinkled some data, it's time to make visually appealing. This is where data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI, our third set of tools, come into play. Imagine having complex data, and in just a few clicks, you transform it into stunning interactive dashboard. Here is what makes these tools awesome. Firstly, we have drag and drop interface. You didn't need to be a tech genius to create a beautiful chart and graphs. In addition, consider interactive dashboards. These allow you to make your data come alive by enabling others to interact with your visualization. Moreover, with real-time data updates, you can keep your visuals current without any extra effort. Finally, I have a question for you. What's your favorite type of chart for data presenting and why? Please share that in the comments. Okay, next up we have Python, our last tool, our powerhouse that will take your data analysis to new heights. If Excel is your beginner toolkit, Python is your advanced toolbox. With libraries like pandas and numpy, here is what makes Python data manipulation a breeze. Firstly, we have data manipulation with libraries like pandas, and you can clean, transform, and reshape data in minutes. Next, consider statistical analysis. You can use Python to turn hypothesis test, calculate probabilities, and find correlations. Furthermore, in realm of machine learning, you can build predictive models to forecast trends. This is where the magic truly happens. Finally, I have a question for you. What's the most challenging data project you've tackled with Python? How did you overcome it? Please share that in the comments. Okay, guys, now here is where the real magic happens. I will tell you a secret. The secret is practice and practice. Tools and theories are great, but the key to mastering data analytics is hand-on experience. A great place to do that is Kaggle, a platform filled with datasets and a competition for aspiring data analysts. You can find free data, practice, and you can challenge yourself by entering competitions. It's a fantastic way to get real-world experience and build a strong portfolio. Please share your thoughts in the comments. Have you ever participated in Kaggle competition? Which one and how that helped your skills? All right, guys, we have covered a quite journey today, haven't we? From Excel to Python, we have touched on the essential tools and steps you need to start your journey as a data analytics. The key takeaway is practice. The more practice you do, the more perfect you will become. So keep experimenting, learning, and applying these tools in real-world scenarios. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. What sets them apart is persistence. The more you explore, the better you will get. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, hit that thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more data analytics content. Share this video with anyone you know who is looking to dive into the world of data. Let's build a community of curious minds. Together we will explore the world. Until next time, happy analyzing and keep exploring.